Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you that how you can remove anything from any image within second, just like this one. So if you want to know exactly how you can do this, stick to the video at the very end, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. So first of all, let me just find an image for this process. Like, I just searched a road crossing and I found this image. So the website that we are going to use is cleanup.pictures. So just go to cleanup.picture and now click on the first website over here. Once you are on this website, just drag and drop your image on this website. And if the drag and drop doesn't work for you, then just click on this and bring your image to the website. So now let's say I want to remove this person from the image. So for that I need to zoom in to this picture first, and now click on razor tool over here, increase the brushing size, and now just fill this person with this brush. And now let the AI run in the background, and now you can see that it has removed the woman from the picture within 2 to 3 seconds. So that's how you can remove anything from any image. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you with another amazing tool in the next video. And by the way, you can just click on the download button over here and download this image.